Supabase Auth allows you to manage user authentication, including signups, logins, and user management within your web or mobile application. Here's how to use Supabase Auth. Set up Supabase project. Sign up or log into Supabase and create a new project. Navigate to the Auth section in your Supabase dashboard to manage authentication settings. Adding Supabase Auth providers. Supabase supports multiple authentication providers such as email or password, social providers, and more. User authentication. To manage user authentication, Supabase provides APIs and SDKs for various programming languages. For example, with Dart. Sign in. For user login, use the following endpoint. Session management. Supabase provides access to session data to manage authenticated users. User management. Supabase also supports CRUD operations for users, enabling management of user details and roles. Custom auth flows. Supabase allows you to create custom authentication flows, including email verification, passwordless logins, and social logins by configuring the necessary OAuth providers.